In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide frames in Miro. Miro is a fantastic collaborative tool, often used for brainstorming, project mapping, and sharing ideas visually. But sometimes there might be features that you don't want everyone to see right away, like certain frames that are a work in progress or reserved for future discussion. Fortunately, Miro has a feature to help with that, but do note that it's only available if you have an upgraded account. Now let's dive into the process. First, we'll head over to Miro's dashboard. If you're already logged in, you'll want to locate your boards. On the dashboard, you can see all the boards associated with your account and team, making it easy to jump into your projects. If you're following along, simply navigate to the Boards and Steps team within your Miro dashboard. This is where you'll find a list of all your available boards. It's like your personal workspace, where each board serves as a blank canvas for your creative or strategic ambitions. Now let's locate the board you want to manage. For this tutorial, imagine you're looking for My First Board, or perhaps any other board you often use as an example. Click on that board to open it up. Once inside, the setup should look familiar, with all the various components of your project laid out. Remember, boards are like interactive whiteboards meant to help you visualize your thoughts, so here you'll see everything from sticky notes to shapes and, importantly, frames. Once you've opened your chosen board, focus on selecting the frame you plan to hide. Click on the specific frame. As soon as you do this, a toolbar should appear on screen. This toolbar contains several options that allow you to manipulate and manage the frame. It's your go-to command center for any adjustments you want to make to the frame. In this case, we're going to focus on the eye icon. Clicking it will effectively hide the frame from the board's overall view. Keep in mind, hiding a frame doesn't delete it. It's just like putting something into storage for later, keeping it out of sight but easily accessible when needed. This feature is particularly useful when presenting ideas to stakeholders, as it allows you to focus their attention on specific parts of the board without distractions. By selecting this option, your frame is now hidden, and it won't be visible to others until you decide to bring it back into view. And that's it! You've now learned how to hide frames in Miro, helping you keep your board organized and streamlined. Whether you're preparing for a meeting or need to tidy up your board for future use, this feature is a handy tool to have in your digital toolkit. Thanks for watching and happy creating on Miro.